the ghost signals from deep space that scientists can't explain. Somewhere in deep space, something is sending signals. They last less than a second, then disappear forever. No warning, no clear source, just a powerful burst of energy traveling across billions of light years before reaching Earth. Scientists call them fast radio bursts, but they feel more like ghost signals from the universe. Some happen once, some repeat, and even today, no one fully understands what is creating all of them. Welcome to Cosmic Unknowns. Today, we're listening to the strangest signals ever detected from deep space. 1. A message from nowhere. Imagine sitting in an observatory late at night when suddenly your instruments detect a powerful radio signal from deep space. It lasts only a fraction of a second, then it's gone. No warning, no explanation, no obvious source. At first, you assume it's an error, maybe a malfunctioning telescope, maybe interference from Earth. But then it happens again and again. Soon, observatories around the world begin detecting the same phenomenon, strange bursts of radio energy appearing from distant regions of the universe and vanishing almost instantly. Today, scientists call them fast radio bursts, or FRBs. But despite years of study, many questions remain unanswered. And that's exactly why some researchers refer to them as the ghost signals of the cosmos. 2. The discovery that changed everything. The story begins in 2007, when astronomers analyzing old telescope data stumbled upon something completely unexpected. Hidden within recordings from years earlier was a powerful radio burst, unlike anything scientists had seen before. The signal had traveled billions of light years before reaching Earth, yet it lasted only milliseconds. Imagine releasing more energy than the sun emits in days, then disappearing in less time than it takes to blink. The discovery shocked researchers because no known cosmic object could easily explain such behavior. Initially, many scientists believed the signal might be a mistake, but over the following years, more bursts appeared. The mystery was real. 3. The problem with fast radio bursts. One of the biggest challenges with FRBs is their unpredictability. Most appear without warning and never repeat. By the time telescopes notice them, they're already gone. Imagine hearing a mysterious voice in the middle of the night, but only for a fraction of a second. Before you can identify where it came from, silence returns. That's the problem astronomers face. The signals are incredibly powerful, but frustratingly brief. Scientists can measure them, they can analyze them, yet tracing them back to their exact origins often feels like chasing shadows across the universe. 4. The energy is impossible to ignore. What makes these ghost signals truly extraordinary is the amount of energy involved. In just milliseconds, some FRBs release as much energy as the sun produces over several days. Think about that for a moment. The sun is a giant nuclear furnace generating unimaginable amounts of power every second. Yet these mysterious bursts somehow match or exceed that output almost instantly. Whatever is creating them must be among the most extreme objects in existence. The question is, what kind of object can produce such enormous energy and then vanish without a trace? 5. The first suspect, magnetars. Eventually, researchers identified a leading suspect, magnetars. These bizarre objects are a special type of neutron star, the collapsed remains of massive stars that exploded as supernovae. A neutron star is already extreme. Imagine compressing the mass of the sun into a sphere, roughly the size of a city. A magnetar takes things even further. Its magnetic field can be trillions of times stronger than Earth's. Scientists believe sudden magnetic eruptions on magnetars may generate some FRBs. In fact, observations in recent years have linked at least a few bursts to known magnetars. The problem? Not every FRUB fits the magnetar explanation. 6. The signals that repeat. Just when astronomers thought they were getting closer to an answer, the universe complicated the mystery. Some FRBs began repeating. Instead of appearing once and disappearing forever, these signals returned multiple times from the same location. This discovery changed everything. Catastrophic events like exploding stars usually happen only once. Repeating bursts suggested that at least some sources survive after emitting their signals. Suddenly, researchers realized they might not be dealing with a single phenomenon. Different FRBs may have entirely different origins. Instead of solving the mystery, the repeating signals made it even deeper. 7. The alien question everyone asks. Whenever mysterious signals arrive from space, one question inevitably appears. Could they be extraterrestrial? Scientists generally approach this idea with caution. There is currently no evidence that FRBs are artificial transmissions. Natural explanations remain far more likely. However, the possibility captures public imagination because the signals seem almost designed to spark curiosity. They're powerful, they're distant, they're mysterious, and they originate from regions of space we know very little about. While most astronomers focus on natural explanations, the alien question refuses to disappear entirely. The universe is simply too vast for people not to wonder. 8. Signals from the edge of the universe. One reason FRBs fascinate scientists is that many originate from extremely distant galaxies. Some have traveled billions of years before reaching Earth. This means the signals began their journey long before humanity existed, long before civilization. In some cases, before Earth even looked the way it does today. Every FRB acts like a time capsule, carrying information from an ancient universe. Researchers use them not only to study the bursts themselves, but also to investigate the invisible matter spread between galaxies. In a strange way, these ghost signals have become powerful tools for exploring the cosmos. 9. Theories that sound like science fiction. As researchers search for answers, some theories become increasingly bizarre. Could FRBs originate near black holes? Could they involve collisions between exotic stellar remnants? Could unknown forms of matter be involved? Some proposals sound like science fiction, yet the universe has a habit of making strange ideas seem reasonable. After all, black holes once sounded impossible. Neutron stars once sounded impossible. Even the expansion of the universe was considered absurd when first proposed. History has repeatedly shown that reality can be far stranger than our expectations. 10. Why the mystery still matters. At first glance, fast radio bursts might seem like a niche astronomy problem, but mysteries like these often lead to major breakthroughs. Throughout scientific history, unexplained observations have frequently revealed entirely new areas of knowledge. The motion of planets led to gravity. Strange radiation led to quantum physics. Unexpected signals from space led to the discovery of pulsars. FRBs may eventually reveal something equally important. They could improve our understanding of extreme physics, cosmic evolution, or even the large-scale structure of the universe itself. If this mystery pulled you deeper into the darkness, like this video, subscribe to Cosmic Unknown and stay with us, because the next signal from space may reveal something even stranger. In the universe, sometimes the scariest things are not what we see, but what we hear. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more content like this.